Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our BoxyCharm Premium, I believe, for June 2020. BoxyCharm typically is a $25 a month subscription. The Boxyluxe, that's what this is. Why did I say premium? Do they have a premium box? I think they have a premium box. This is the Boxyluxe for June 2020. So the typical BoxyCharm is $25 a month. This one is $49.99 every 3 months. So it's like a seasonal upgrade to your BoxyCharm. So every other month, except for like 4 times a year, I get the regular BoxyCharm. And then this one's just like an upgrade 4 times a year. I think I got that right. I made that entirely too complicated. I don't remember exactly what comes in a Boxyluxe. I think it's like 10 items, 8 to 10, something like that. Beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup products. Typically in a BoxyCharm you get to choose one item. I did not choose anything in this box. I'm real bad about looking at my email every day, so by the time I get these emails, it's long past the time to choose. So yeah, I have no idea what's in here, so I'll be just as surprised as you. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty-free when I'm filming, I will put that on the screen right down here, as well as the values of everything, but the card in here should have the values. I don't know what's with subscription boxes. Sometimes the cards have values now, sometimes they don't. I don't understand, like, why can't we be consistent? Either put the values in there or don't, but like don't go back and forth every month. Anyways, I'm done ranting. Let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so when you get the box open, this little card right here in front is going to have the theme for the month, which is the Oasis. And then on the back here, we do have the values. So here's everything we're getting as well as the values. Okay, so I will be I will be referring to that. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out this first thing that's right on top. This is from Hallmark Collectibles. This is a pillowcase and a travel eye mask is what it says. So the bag is like super nice for like being a plastic bag. Oh, okay, so this is like, it seems to be like a satin pillowcase and then the eye mask. These typically tend to help with like frizz and things like that. So I get this is like really nice for when you travel, if you want to take your own pillowcase and you want to have like nice hair, I guess. But that's not something I typically use. I do have frizzy hair. I'm just too lazy to like have a separate pillowcase for it. So yeah, satin pillow and mask set. It says non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. So yeah, that's valued at $50, which I think is probably not a real value for this. I feel like you could probably get this for like 20 bucks, maybe 30 bucks for a nice one. So I think that is definitely an inflated price. Maybe that's what they sell it for, but I don't, correct me if I'm wrong, if people who use a satin pillowcase, would you pay that much for one? I don't feel like you would, but maybe you would, so let me know down below. I obviously am no expert on that. It's not anything I've ever used, so let me know. Would you pay that? Okay, moving right along. Okay, let's just pull out this next thing. This is from Malin and Goetz, or Goats. I don't know how to actually say this. I have received a couple things from this brand. They are cruelty-free. This is the Recovery Treatment Oil. Okay, so I feel like it's like a serum / oil. Let me look at the card right here. Okay, so this botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish the skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils, or jojoba, I feel like it's jojoba, I don't know how you say that word. Those oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver blah, 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 blah. So it's like a moisturizer, I guess. This is valued at $82. Let's just see what it looks like in here. I have paid more, well, I've paid actually $2 less for oils, but let's see. It doesn't really seem like an oil. It seems like it's super watery. So that's interesting. I definitely will have to give this a try just to see like what it does, but it does not seem like an oil to me. It seems maybe it has oil in it, but it's not an oil. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull out this thing. This is from Billion Dollar Brushes, which is cruelty-free. This is a charcoal brush set. It says bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. I've never even thought of that. That's interesting. Let's see what this is. Okay, so it looks like we have a 5-piece brush set right here. So they are super soft. I don't know about the charcoal thing. I feel like that's just sort of gimmicky. But this is a powder brush right here. It seems more like a blush brush to me, a little small for powder, but I mean, you can use your brushes however you want. You don't have to do what the little label says. So, let me get all the plastic off. Hold, please. Okay, so this one right here is a concealer brush. This, see, I don't even use a brush. I don't even wear concealer anymore, in case you didn't know that. I just find it creases no matter what it is, so I just don't wear it because it's just not a good look for me. But like these things that are called concealer brushes, I use them for like packing brushes, like for eyeshadow on my lid. Let's see, this next one is an eyeshadow brush, which again, this is pretty much the same thing as that concealer brush. It's just a little smaller, a little like shorter. The next one is probably a blending brush. Oh no, this is a highlighter brush. See, I would use this as a blending brush because it's too small for as a highlighter, in my opinion. And the last one is, what is this? This is a contour brush. I don't contour. I would use this as a foundation brush. So see, you can use brushes however you want, which I'm sure you're well aware of. But it's just funny that all these brushes, they have these little words on them, and I wouldn't use them for any of those purposes, as they say. Okay, so they do feel really soft. I'm not sure about like the charcoal thing. Kind of weird. Let's see, $55. Again, I'm not paying $10 per brush. Like, they're not that good. Maybe they are. I can't say that. But I feel like that's overpriced. Like, these bigger brushes I would definitely pay $10 for. These ones, like, maybe $7, $8 for. You know, I'm not paying $10 for a highlighting brush. That's just my opinion, though. I have paid for some brushes that are more expensive than that, but just, like, this set, I don't think is worth $55. Let's see, this next thing, I've never tried anything from this brand. This is from Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. So I've never tried any of her makeup, any of her skincare, and nothing. I don't know if she's even a cruelty-free brand. I feel like she is. Okay, yeah, cruelty-free and vegan. So this is a foaming face wash. I do really like the packaging. Like, it's super, super pretty. Oh, this is nice. I mean, mine has leaked a little bit. You can probably tell. It's definitely sticky on the outside, but yeah, that's nice. It's got like the little foaming pump. I will definitely use this. This is probably something I would keep like in my shower or my bath. Not something I typically use at the sink, but yeah, excited to try that. I've never tried anything from that brand. And let's see, the Kylie Skin is valued at $24. So, I mean, a little bit expensive for a face wash, but it's not like the worst price I've seen. So, but I don't think I would pay that for something just to wash my face when I could use a bar of soap that's like $1. So, let's see. Let's go and see what this is. This is from Lily Lashes, which I think is cruelty-free. But this is the Triple X Mascara in the shade Black. See, I've only ever seen their lashes. I never even knew they made anything other than lashes. But I guess if they're going to make something, mascara is the most logical choice. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and see what the wand looks like. Okay, so the wand seems pretty standard, like nothing seems special about it. The mascara does seem like a thicker, like volumizing mascara, so I definitely will play around with that. It's not like my favorite style right now. I'm really into like the silicone brushes and like separating, but I definitely will give it a try. Maybe I'll love it. All right, let's get a value on that. $24. So like right on par for like high-end mascaras, but I don't know. I'll have to let you know if I think it's worth it. Okay, so this is from Bodyography, which is cruelty-free, I believe. I've gotten like a lip gloss and something else from them. I think in one of those boxes I don't even get anymore. Like, and I remember I did not enjoy the lip gloss. I thought it was pretty crappy. So this is a lip pencil, a 2-pack. And I don't see a shade or anything. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. Okay, so I have 2 lip pencils here. I'm not going to swatch them. I just don't use lip pencils. It's not something that I find that I need. I just don't care for it. I have used it. There's a couple that I use sometimes, but typically I don't wear a lip liner. But I have the two shades Pouty, which is the like nude color, and then the red one is called Rosewood. So there's those. I'll probably just go ahead and save these for a giveaway. Again, nothing against this brand. I just don't use lip liner. And if I do, it has to be like super creamy, like super, super, super creamy. Almost that you can wear it as like a lipstick. That's pretty much how I wear a lip liner. So got those. And the value on those is $28 for 2 wooden pencils. That's a ripoff. I'm sorry, $14 for a pencil. No. That's a hard pass for me. Let's see. This next thing I'm pulling out is from Purlisse. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. So there is the packaging. This brand is cruelty-free. The shade is light, which, I don't know, yo. I'm typically more of a light medium than a light, but let's see. Let's see what this is like, and if the color's not right, I can just pass it along to a friend. Oh, that's too light for me, I think. That's real light. So this I'm just going to give to a friend. I have a friend who's much lighter than me. I mean, it is a BB cream, and they typically blend in pretty well, but this is just too light for me. Right? Don't you think that's too light? Yeah, that's going to a friend. $35. So again, not what I would pay. I do have a BB cream that I love, which I don't even know if they make this anymore. When I do use a BB cream, this is the one I use. It's the Physicians Formula. I don't even know if this is like the same. Do they still make this? I feel like they do. But let me show you the color I wear in that versus the color that I just got. Do you see the difference? Like, that is way too... I thought, oh, well, maybe I can make that work. Like, no, that's not the right color for me. So, yeah, that's a bummer. I definitely would have liked to try that. I do enjoy a BB cream. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Tarte, which is cruelty-free. This is the Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay palette. I feel like I have this palette. Let me take a look in here and see if I have this palette. I have this palette. Okay, so this has actually seen some better days. I mean, it's a little, like, rough. Oh, one of the shades broke. That's what's happened. That's too bad. So the shade up there in the corner, I'm not sure if you can see this without me dumping it everywhere. Ah! Right here. That's shattered. I'm going to see if I can email BoxyCharm and get a different one, even though I already have this. I would love to give this away to somebody because it is a nice palette. Let me pull out my non-broken one. It's really a shame, and I don't blame them. I mean, I know things happen in shipping. It's not like BoxyCharm's fault. But let me show you the one I do have. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's like a nice matte black. So it's like, I haven't used it a ton, but it is just like a nice neutral palette with like little pops of color. I definitely think it's nice looking. I like Tarte shadows. A lot of people don't, but they're not bad for me. But yeah, it's definitely like a nice palette, and there's a ton of matte shades in there, and then these are just all the shimmers. So like a nice everyday sort of makeup palette. So if I didn't already have that palette, I'd be kind of bummed that it was broken, but I do already own it, so at least I have that. Let's see, and the value on that is $49. So $49 for, I don't know how many shades were in there. I should have looked when I was in there, but I mean, it's a little expensive, but it's not the most overpriced for all the products that you get in there. But anyway, so that's everything I got in the box. So overall, I liked it. I thought it was good. Most everything I'm able to use. I'm going to contact them about the eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to use the pillow, like the pillowcase and the mask thing. That's just not something I use. And the foundation was too light for me. So that's kind of disappointing when you like do that like foundation thing and like then you still get the wrong color. But yeah, so other than that, what did you guys think? Let me know right down there in the comments. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.